three phones Nokia launched earlier this year: the Nokia 3, 5 and 6. The Nokia 6 is the star. But at only £220 or $180 in the US, with Amazon's ads appearing on the lock screen, it's still affordable. It uses premium metals to look slick and premium, but keeps the price down with a low-end processor and a display with a ho-hum resolution. As such, performance can be laggy, but it's not a huge problem for everyday use. Don't buy this phone if you're looking for the best example of what a smartphone can be. Instead, consider it if you want a great-looking Android phone that'll handle your life's essentials and won't drain your wallet. The all-metal design is where this phone really stands out. It has an aesthetic that you wouldn't feel embarrassed to whip out in a posh cocktail bar. It's an incredibly smart-looking handset with machine-milled edges that give it a polished metal accent, which looks great on the deep blue hue of my review model.